Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to make VirtualBox in full screen for any operating system at all. If you have installed any other operating systems than Windows 10 where I will be demonstrating, you just open it. And to make it full screen, here at the top click on Devices, click into Insert Guest Edition CD image, and after you have done this, go into any folder of your operating system, as it in some cases mounts it to your drive, and here click into this PC. Here you will see this CDD VirtualBox Guest Editions, double click on it. And here search for file VBox Windows Editions. As you can see, this is executable file, just click on it and follow instructions to install it. Yes, next, next. Install and finish and reboot this virtual machine. Then go to View and here you will see full screen mode. Just click on it and click on Switch. And there you have it. Now you can use it in full screen mode.